Well, let's look at the volatility here today as we come back to a post-summer market that still is trading like summer. And again, schools starting across the country, most schools. I just don't see a lot happening today, this week, for that matter. So you got to take it easy. The market's not giving us much. We had this initial ramp up that is just gap and sticking now, and we tried to scalp a little bit, took a point out of the SPOOs, half a point out of the Nasdaq, and since then we've done nothing. And that was all before 8 o'clock Pacific. So for the last 2.5 hours, we've done nothing but sit on our hands, and we'll continue to do so right now. There's no point in forcing this market. It looks higher to me right now, anyways. So if you want to ride it up, ride it up. But I was looking here at the VIX as we sit here in the lows of the day, 2291, which wasn't quite as low as Friday, 2250. But I maintain that volatility should remain bullish for us, whether the market goes higher or lower, as long as we stay above 15. So we're well above that. And I think if you look even on a daily chart on the VIX, you see it go back even further. So there's not a lot happening. The dollar yen here is up 22 cents, 27 pips rather, 116.23 as we speak. That's the dollar yen. Oil is up 74.63 right here, up a half percent. Gold is up 691, continues up a point and a half today. Gold continues upward, and again, there's not a lot happening. We're sitting up at the highs of the day across the board, all markets. So here we are talking again about lowering rates. Yet in my book, it looks like we may need to raise rates. But what do I know? So they just took them to new highs. We just had a big volatility spike here. We're seeing new highs on the Dow. We just spiked through here in the last 7 minutes as we were starting this conversation. New highs on the SPOOs, 1489. We just had basically as I call, a tick bomb went off in the market. So buy order must have just come in there at the 10 or the 1 o'clock hour. Ticks are at 880 right now. So yes, there was a buy program that just suddenly took this market up, and we're still not seeing a lot here. It's the trend is your friend, and the trend is up right now, and it's a difficult spot to do much more than watch, learn, and listen what the market is telling us. And right now, the market is telling us to sit on our hands and do nothing because there's no edge. Again, I'm looking at a 5 minute chart of the SPOOs. We're ticking up to the highs of the day. No news. A tick bomb hit. Ticks just hit 1,000 there, and there is not a lot happening here. So we'll be back later today at the close, most likely, and continue to sit on the hands and wait for the opportunities to come to us.